Welcome in the makeup therapy. I'm Manuela. I'm 45 years old makeup lover who does makeup for the therapeutic value and just having fun here. Nothing special. I don't want to influence you much about what to buy, but I will show you today what I choose to invest my money and see what will happen. So I bought the subscription of the ice cream box, and for 3 months, and this is my my February box. And I will show you, I know it's late, I will show you what I got in mine, and maybe I will use some very quick look. I have a small amount of time. So it was like a Valentine's Day kind of you know, February around Valentine's. In the boxes were the brush with the love heart. I'll take this off and maybe use this. I was watching Rennie. She was using this this what she got, and this is very cute, isn't it? It's really cute. Love heart. And yeah, and she was quite she made a very lovely look. I will, if I will find, I will link her channel in my description box. Go and see. She has very nice personality, I think, and yeah, and she did the look with all of this box. She showed us also, and I have the same. It's a Mirabella glow, and it's a setting powder or something like that, and it's very fancy packaging. I think it's very beautiful. It's not too heavy, but it looks very pretty. I had a very good impression when I saw it, and the inside is some LED light, so and the powder just like so translucent. Maybe it will be a little bit lightening. I will not use this powder today because I have other powder open, and you know how it is when you open a 100 products, you just don't use it. So I will keep that for the later future. We had also something small, and it's called butterfly butter lip scrub, and I do like lip scrubs. So let's just see how it looks like inside from outside from the box. Oh, it's like, oh, this is very cute, by the way. It's a tube like this, so we're gonna use it in the evening. I'll tell you what it's like if I don't forget, because brain is just a decoration. We had another Medusa lipstick. I do like these lipsticks. They are kind of like old-fashioned lipstick, I would say. I used to love that kind of formula. And this is devilish. And let's open. I think that it was somehow red. Again, the same packaging. It's a little bit too light for my liking, but it's alright. And oh, it's like rusty red. But on that swatch, it's looking a little bit like it's a little bit more blue. Very pretty. Pretty shade. I think that we will wear this one. I have also lipstick, lipstick earrings. So maybe red lips. That's the tea for today. And there was a palette, Head to the Clouds mini mixed face palette by Ofra. I was very happy to see this palette. This palette looks so good. Like, I want to use this palette for sure. It has this kind of cover that you can close, which is pretty cool, and the names of this shadow, the shades are on this plastic part. And look at this. I really like Ofra highlighters, so I'm very happy. Here it's like purplish, like gold to orange, I would say, and pinkish. Oh, and this juicy. I do like this a lot. So that's we're gonna try today, because it's a dry product, so it's fine. I have millions of dry products, and now, like a Melody Moira, first time I have the palette from this brand, and the palette looks like this. So let's try this palette. I will quickly prime my eyes and do very simply look, like the simplest ever, because I really don't have any time. It's not enough for me, enjoying the makeup. Like, I like to take some time. So this what I have, it's not enough, but enough for simply one. So I will not even cut this video, honestly. It's just a bonus kind of content. I do not want to push you, put you in any shape or form to buy something, ever. No money, it's the cause of war in this world, and I don't want that anybody has any way suffering because of that. So thank you. I just telling you about my my shopping. I did spend my money on this. There is no sponsorship, and I was always thinking that this is super box eyeshadow, Eyescream Beauty, because they are always doing collabs and cooperation with the indie brand, and so independent small business. And I adore this part of the show, I would say. I like to try lots of brands which are small, and not every time you can pay for these shippings all over the world. Especially like lots of great brands are in United States, and I'm located in UK, so that is bringing all of this. I was thinking that why not try? I'll try now Moira. I tried Medusa already, so I kind of know what's the tea, if I want to purchase from them or not. And I think that joining to that kind of box by brand, it's very smart, really. I think that through that you can figure out or you like the brand or not, and or you like the formula or not, and make your own mind. Purchase from them directly or just, you know, skipping it. I will do the very simply look, and I'm thinking that I will start with this this shade here, Love Song. It's a very lovely name. It's this one. Starting from outer corner. Oh, the pigment is there. I think this is lovely. I'll try to work hard. It's like a reddish, rusty kind of tone. I think that I'm gonna like that. And definitely, so far I see that the pigment is there. It's not like that. There was time that you think that you have a dark eyeshadow, you're putting it on, and it's just like not a pigmented one, but this one. Oh, I think I like it. I think I like it so far. Like for the completely first impression of first putting eyeshadows. Bing bang bonk is there. So just round like so. And do you have, guys, this Moira Cosmetics? I was hearing about them such a good things, and I kind of see why. There is brands which I want to try for sure, and there was one of them. So I'm happy to play with this palette. It's very cute. Cute small palette. Like, good for traveling, if you kind of know that you will be just interested in that kind of color stories. I think it's also very flattering color story. Just don't know why not. Just a side. Okay. I think that I can live with this. Very nice. Okay, I will take just a random brush, and I will do this swooshy swooshy before I will put another just on the edge. This is super ideal when you're on the go, kind of. I mean, anytime is super idea, but I really find myself that I'm doing this more often when I'm on the run and I just want to look like I did some more, like I spent more time on my makeup than I didn't. Well, magic tricks. Okay, I like this shade here, and I'm there to use it, and it's to you. Cute again. I'll use this brush which I was smudging the rest and dipping here. Okay, maybe I didn't expect this. It's very nice. It's like a little bit this peach fuzz vibe. Peach fuzz, definitely. I see this peach fuzz here. Where have you been last year, Moira? Okay, I can push that further and do this amount clean, you know. Alright, I really like this shade here. I will put that on the lower lash line. Because why not? I already did Boo Boo, I think. So this one, tell you the name, it is Soulful. Wow, this is super shade. Like, I love this shade. I have hooded eyes, so I like to have some accent on my lower lash line. Maybe this is not super a lot of space, but always something. I'll put that also as a liner because I like this shade. So much. Wow. Not even mention that I have appointment with my daughter, the doctor, so I will be having this makeup from the doctor. Cute. If someone asks me, do you use your makeup and then you just make crazy makeup and you don't go it anywhere, and or you're leaving with this makeup? Well, when I do this makeup, I leave with this makeup. You know, I have a new settings with my brushes, container here, whatever, and it's not working. Does not work for me. Okay, I'll take finger. I'll just use my finger to this Modern Melodies, this shimmer here. Now I'll pop it in the middle, kind of. Let's see, what is that? No, that's a mess application. I ruined my look, I would say. So I will come back to the dark shade. Fix here a little bit. And I kind of do the boo-boo here also. Okay. This is very nice, however my application is not very nice, so that's the problem. It's sweet hot mess. Okay, let me do my face and I'll show you the final look. Alexa is calling me. This is my final look, using the Moira for the first time. Very nice. Eyeshadow palettes like Melody, and also Heat in the Clouds by Ofra. And yeah, they are very nice. You could see how they work. I didn't use, end of the day, I didn't use this Medusa lipstick Devilish or something because I just don't have time. Alexa is calling me that I need to leave my house right now and go to doctors. So Essence mascara, I have black liner, I use Zoeva foundation, I use Glam Shop, what? Bronzer, liquid bronzer. I use also Kiko Milano powder bronzer. As you could see, my cheeks and my lips is a Brooklyn Trune lip liner, and the lipstick Clarence from Cosmic Beauty. I was thinking that it's much more like smudging my eyes. It gives that. Alright, have a gorgeous day. I don't know where I will upload it, so take care of yourself just like in play, and I hope that I will see you in my next video. Bye!